Excel offers essential features to enhance your project plans. Use formulas like F, VLOOKUP, and SUMIF to manage dependencies and allocate resources efficiently. VLOOKUP retrieves specific data from your project tables, useful for tracking tasks or resources. SUMIF sums values that meet certain conditions, perfect for calculating totals in your project data. Pivot tables provide powerful summaries of your project data, giving you quick insights into progress and resources. Recent advancements include AI-powered Microsoft Copilot, which creates project plans from simple natural language instructions. Real-time co-editing through OneDrive and SharePoint allows teams to update plans simultaneously. Mobile access ensures you can manage projects anywhere with Excel on your phone or tablet. Looking ahead, AI will automate more aspects like template creation and risk analysis, while hybrid work increases demand for flexible, responsive tools. Excel integrates with Power BI and Azure for advanced analytics. For complex projects, dedicated software may be better. Always prioritize data security and version control.